Incredicoaster. I'm Elastigirl. For your safety, make sure you pull down on the shoulder restraint until it locks in place. Keep your head firmly. Edna, keep your eye on Jack Jack. No problem, darling. And the baby is gone. Edna?
Edna, face forwarded. Hold on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, up!
Did you get it? He just disappeared. The baby has teleported to the next tunnel. Got it. Hey, sweetie, come to mommy. No, don't go away.
Come on, Cookie! Cookie!
Oh, the little one returns.
Oh, thank goodness. Well, we're sorry that you have to be crazy. Babies can be unpredictable.
Yeah, Mom. Super baby.
Please remain seated until the coaster comes to a complete stop. Remember to carry your belongings. And safely exit your vehicle.
Welcome to the Incredicoaster. I'm Elastigirl. For your safety, make sure you pull down the shoulder restraints so it locks in place. Keep your head firmly.
Woo! Wow, let me put my hat back on. I don't care what they say. That is the wildest ride in America.
That is so fun.
So much fun. So much fun. So wonderful. And as you can see, I've had a monster and a coffee and a coffee cake of 2. And I am a happy, happy camper. Finally got to the front row. Thanks to my friend Chris, who asked. My journalist friend here, I am his attorney. And we are gonna go gonzo in the park a little more. So don't you go changing, or I'll find you.